Not good. It's headed straight to Jackson. Could be.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for central Attala County in central Mississippi, northern Lee County in central Mississippi, northwestern Neshoba County in east central Mississippi, southwestern Winston County in east central Mississippi until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Thomastown and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and cap $size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Singleton around 6:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Redfern around 6:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Zama and Edinburgh around 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Stallow and Burnside around 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Attala, League, Neshoba, and Winston.